Hello, my name is David Aspden and I'm the Head of Studies for the Building Services section at the Trafford College Group Stretford campus. I manage the building services, electrical installation, gas and plumbing and heating and ventilation teams. The construction industry currently is a very vibrant one and there are many job opportunities for those out there who are looking for employment. We as a college, and particularly within my department, have a highly qualified teachers with extensive experience and are also very highly regarded. If you choose us, you can expect a high quality of teaching, support and advice for progression to both different levels of education and also within to the apprenticeships, which obviously is involved in employment. So may I look forward to seeing you very shortly and hope that you choose Trafford College.